Alrighty, welcome back to another edition of Raid in the Pantry with Chris Raider. Sorry that it has been a long while since I've done a video. Things have just happened in my life and it's kind of personal, but let's get back into it. Today we're going to make some no-bake lemon cookies. So what you want to do, you want to get 1/2 of a cup of unsalted butter. And 8 teaspoons is 1/2 a cup. So that's the reason why we're using a stick. Or 8 tablespoons, my bad. And we're going to add that. We're going to let that get going for a little bit. And we're going to have our pan on medium heat. Alright, that's pretty much melted. Now that that's melted, we're going to add in our sugar. And we're doing a 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And we're going to add in our milk. And we're going to do 1/4 cup of milk. Got a little whole milk here. Alright. And lastly, we're going to add in our salt. And we're going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of salt. And we're going to keep that on medium heat. Mix that all up. And we're going to constantly be stirring it. And we're going to bring it to a gentle boil. As you can see, the bubbles are starting to form. And when it starts to come up to a gentle boil, we're going to let it boil for about a minute. We're going to remove it. We're going to kill the heat and continuously stir and remove it from the heat. And then we're going to add in our lemon juice, our vanilla, and our lemon zest. I'm going to kill the heat. Stir. Take it off the direct heat source. Just a little bit. And now we're going to add in our lemon juice. And we're going to do a fourth of a cup of lemon juice. About a whole lemon is 1/4 of a cup. You can probably get a little bit more than that, but and then we're gonna add in our lemon zest, which is 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. And now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're also going to add in our, I'm going to stir that around, give it a quick stir. Add in our quick oats. And it's going to be about 2.5 cups of quick oats. And I get everything coated all nicely. Okay. Now we're going to go make our spoons for it, or our cookies. I got my parchment paper down, and I grabbed a big spoon. And we're just going to kind of flatten it a little. All right. Now we're going to let these cool for 20 minutes. All right. I'll catch y'all back in 20 minutes. All right. So it has been 20 minutes. I have eaten one, and they're not bad to eat. But as you can see, when I pick this one up, it ain't quite set right. So you don't want them generally to be falling apart like that. It should be just one cohesive thing. And it's probably something I did with my heating and stuff. So I will be definitely making them again. And if I'll put them in the fridge, see if they set up a little bit better in the fridge. If they do, that's where I'll put them. But let's try. Okay. These are absolutely delicious. I love everything that's going on with it. I do need to do a better job at making sure they stick together. Maybe if I do smaller piles, they'll, have a better chance of, cohesively melding together. But they are absolutely delicious. 100% worth trying. And this has been Raiding the Pantry with Chris Rader. Thank y'all for coming. Come back and see me again. If you liked the video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share it for me. I'll catch y'all back next time.